Good day, everyone. My name is Jason Nicolau, and I am an engagement manager here at Sikich. Have you ever heard of Microsoft's Power BI product? Does your team use it today? Do you know that your Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central subscription gives you access to Power BI? Let's see it in action on my mobile phone today. This is an example of a dynamic Power BI report presented on my BC dashboard. My data changes right before my eyes based on the new time period. Let's dig just a little bit deeper. Here are the values that are driving that donut chart. Please note that I did all of this maneuvering without ever leaving BC, opening another application, or logging in. The Power BI community publishes many datasets that work great as SoupStarter. They are called datasets because they usually include more than one report. And I'm calling them SoupStarter because they will get you most of the way there, so that all you have to do is point it to the BC instance, tweak the finer details, and you have Power BI embedded right here on your dashboard. The trick is that you don't have to turn on every report for every user. Each user can enable the one or the few that make sense for him or her. This means that I can create a menu of reports that work for me. That call to IT for a new report, which usually meant stopping what you're doing, disappears with a small time investment into becoming familiar with Power BI. Users are empowered to make more informed decisions immediately based on data that is directly connected to BC and beyond. Ultimately, I can tie Power BI to multiple data sources and present data from outside of Business Central on my dashboard. Talk about a central hub to get your job done. Thank you for joining me today. To learn more about the different areas of BC, please visit the Sikich YouTube channel and search Business Central. There, you will find a general overview and content on a variety of other topics. Are you ready to begin your digital transformation? Please visit sikich.com and contact us directly today.